Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you the construction of the Moon Palace in Montego Bay. Now, this hotel is actually under construction beside the Unico Hotel. We are out by Lilliput in Montego Bay, and this is where they're building three massive hotels. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, but they haven't started construction yet. The Unico Hotel, which is under construction and moving at a rapid pace. And this structure that we're showing you now is the construction of the Moon Palace. They've just started constructing that one. Now, the Moon Palace is very significant because it's going to be 30 floors. It's going to have numerous towers of 30 floors. It's going to be 1,350 rooms, making it one of the largest hotels in Jamaica. But what is of significance is that it's 30 floors. It's going to be taller than the Pinnacle. Therefore, it's going to be the tallest structure in Jamaica. Now, currently, we have what it used to be the Pegasus at 17 floors, and then you have there's one that's 20 floors in Kingston by what's the name of that residential complex? Just slipping, but I'll tell you soon. That one is 20 floors. Then you have the Ascent, although they haven't started yet, which is 20. The Rogers is 20 floors, and they have reached 20 floors. So that is currently the tallest building in Jamaica. It's the residential apartments in Kingston. Then you have the Ascent, although they haven't started yet. That's supposed to be 27 floors. And then you have the Pinnacle, which is 4 towers at 28 floors. The first tower is under construction and it has reached 14 floors. And we have videos up. You can check out all of these developments. And then, so the Pinnacle at 28 floors. And then now we're looking at the start of the construction for the Moon Palace, which is going to be 30 floors. So a lot of developments are taking place in Jamaica. And as we said at the beginning, right beside this hotel is the Unico. We have videos that will give you an update of that one also. So we're going to go through an article that gives us some information on what's happening here. The hotel currently under construction beside the Unico Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica is the Moon Palace, the Grand Montego Bay at Success. It's the Moon Palace, the Grand Montego Bay at Success. This ambitious project is set to become Jamaica's tallest hotel, featuring approximately 30 floors across multiple towers, along with 8 overwater villas. Developed by Puerto Caribe Properties Limited, a member of Palace Resorts, the Moon Palace Resort will offer 1,350 rooms and is part of a broader expansion in the Rose Hall area, which includes the Unico Hotel and our 750-room Hard Rock Hotel. The Moon Palace development is situated on the Success Estate, a 775-acre property managed by Jamaica's Urban Development Corporation. This area has been earmarked for significant tourism and residential development, including plans for 1,000 housing units for resort workers on neighboring lands. Together, these developments are poised to significantly enhance Montego Bay's tourism infrastructure, adding thousands of new rooms and reinforcing the area's status as a premier Caribbean destination. Alright guys, so the Unico, which is beside its development, if it's not the fastest moving development in Jamaica, it is one of. So I'm just assuming that this hotel, the one we're looking at now, the Moon Palace, is going to go up at the same pace. So we'll keep you guys updated. We'll give you regular updates on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.